Hey.
these things. Like, I'm gonna make a donut. You wanna make a donut?
Yeah, I do.
So I'm gonna make a donut out of this.
By the way, we're using this giant foam mattress.
Yeah, it's like
it's slow
your bed to make it soft or whatever.
But it's very slow rising.
So what we're using is just scissors. We have 2 pairs, by the way. Yeah.
More scissors.
And we have a Sharpie. We're just gonna start with a Sharpie and then move on to paint as we go. So yeah, first, I think there might be another Sharpie in the dining room if you want to go.
Okay, do it where the audience can see it. Okay.
Okay, first I'm gonna. No, wait, Jamie, don't just cut out of nowhere.
Come on.
First,
So we got everything.
okay. So what I did was. Okay, so I traced around it.
Oh my god, this looks so wrong.
I'm gonna. Oh god, you can't even cut it. Ah.
I'm gonna make a square shaped one. Okay. I'm not gonna make a donut today, but I'm gonna make a square shaped one. Holy shit! How are you even cutting this?
I don't know. You might want to draw it out first with the Sharpie.
Nah, don't worry, I got this. I can't even cut it. I can. Oh. Well.
And by the way, my mom let us use this, so
Yeah.
it's all good.
Yeah. Do you know? Okay. After this video, I'm gonna try to do something. You cut one piece out of it.
No,
Good.
I'm showing you how slow rising it is.
Okay, so it is not working.
Not just one piece.
Yeah.
Okay, let's pause this and we'll be back. It's so hard to cut.
Guys, you know what's the best part of Christmas?
Me.
Best
part of Christmas.
You know what?
No.
Sorry.
Well, we don't like the other.
Christmas be like.
You're not pausing.
That was a good fart. That's a good fart. Okay. So, yeah, we going. I don't know. So, after this, I'm gonna get the app Vine and start making vines for some reason.
You have to put like your email. You can.
Yeah.
I
feel like it need to be a. I feel like it need to be like a good viner for some reason.
Oh
yeah. We have some. Illuminati. Okay, we're gonna end the video.